Hello everyone. So again, like always, let's start things off with a problem here. So again, I ask you to pause the video here and go ahead and try the problem out on your own. So we have information about this triangle here, and now we can utilize the fact that now we have the fact that the interior angles of a triangle sum to 180, so we can kind of solve this problem here. Now, note the problem says compute all possible measures, which is a little bit strange. So one of the first things you may have noticed is that maybe there's multiple solutions to this problem. And you're probably right, because notice how we're intentionally very vague about the angles in this triangle here. All we know is that one of the angles measures 54, and one of the angles is double the other, right? So in this situation, there are multiple situations going on here. So we can take a look at these. We can break these into cases. So case 1, 54 is the double, right? So one situation is that 54 is the double here. So that means we know that the other angles are, well, let's see, 27 and whatever's missing, right? So 54 is the double, so that means we can have here 54 plus 27 plus the missing angle, I'll call this x, is 180 here. So in this case, this is 54 plus 27, which I believe is 81, plus x is 180 here. So that tells us x is 99, right? So in this situation, that's one case that we can have here, and the smallest angle is therefore 27 degrees. So we can have something that looks like this here. Okay, 27, 99, 54. So that's one situation that could occur here. Another situation that could occur, case 2, is that 54 is doubled. Right, so that means the other angle is 54 times 2, which is 108 degrees. And now we have 54 plus 108 plus the missing angle here, let me call it y, is 180 here. So we can go ahead and set that up. So 54 and 108 is 162 plus y is 180 here. So y in this case is 18, right? So that means the smallest angle here is 18. And we can draw our triangle like this here, right? So in this case we have that one that looks a little like this here. 108, 18, and 54 here. So that's a possibility. We can also have that sort of situation here. Now the third situation, the third case here, and again, note that there are only 3 cases here because there's only 3 places for the 54 to go. That's the one place that we know. The third case, that 54 is neither, right? 54 decides it doesn't want to have anything to do with this doubling or redoubling or anything like that. It's going to stay on its own. 54 is neither. So that means the other angles are x and 2x here, right? So therefore x plus 2x plus 54 is 180 here. In this case, 3x plus 54 is 180. So 3x equals 126, right? Yep. And therefore x in this case is 42 degrees. So now we can also have a third triangle in this situation here, right? So this is 42, and then double 42 should give us 84 here. So now we have a third triangle that looks like this here. And again, I am not drawing these to scale, but you get the picture here. 42 and 54. And the smallest angle is 42 here, right? So we can see in this situation, now we have 3 cases here, right? Based on where the angle was. And we kind of have this sort of thing going on here, okay?